Hi, thanks for coming to this new slow life of mine. I am thrilled you're here and we get to learn together and I get to teach a few things and do the things just fill my heart. Today, pickled red onions is on the menu. We're going to do a quick pickle though. I have all the ingredients set out. I typically do it the night before because it's decadent, it's beautiful. I'm a visual person and I just want to see all the ingredients and uh, look at what I'm working with. So let me just go over the ingredients really quick. So we have black peppercorns, we have whole cloves, we have juniper berries, our trusty and lovely white wine vinegar. I've got bay leaves. I want to encourage you all to plant bay leaf. It is the most giving plant in all the land, and it can be in a container or in your garden. It's awesome. I do a chili pepper because I like heat, and I have sugar. I like mine just a little bit. I like to amp up the sweetness, and the star of the show, my red onions. And then this beautiful jar I got at Goodwill, where most of my jars come from, but this one has this pretty little design, and I love it. As I said before, this is going to be a quick one. Eventually, we're going to do the water bath preserving one from this book, but I'm going to add a bunch of spices to it because it's really boring. And I think we can make it very happy. So that will be on my to-do list. I look forward to that. So let's get started. Okay, let's do the brine first. We need a quarter of a cup of our vinegar. We need 3/4 of a cup of vinegar. We need a pinch of salt. Bay leaves from my garden. Again, anyone can grow these. It's such a rewarding herb to grow and to use. I'm going to do 5 juniper berries. 5 cloves. My chili pepper, which I would like to mush up. So a little bit of a chop kind of releases the flavors. I don't do a lot because I just want a hint of it. And I think we have, sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar. So we heat this up, get it to a boil, then I'll just kind of turn it off, and then we'll start cutting up the onions. I get out a compost bowl and a save bowl. I'm going to save the peels, and then these go in the freezer with all the others, and then we'll freeze dry them for our very own red onion powder. I'm going to try the mandolin and see if I like the size of the cut. I don't like them this long, so that tells me I'm going to cut it in half, and we're going to try it again. Okay, now I want to try another mandolin. I like them a little bit thinner. Okay, let's see how we like this new chopper that I got. the guard. It's okay. It feels wasteful. Let's look at the peel. Ooh, this is a good one. Yeah, this is a good slice. I like that. So I feel like I wasted all this stuff, and I may go back and cut it, or I'll dehydrate it. Either way, I win. Either way, I am a winner. Now, I'm going to try the third way. And I'm going to tell you what I like best. Boiling. I'm going to turn it down. I have to make sure that sugar's dissolved. Let's try it the old-fashioned way. A nice, thin slice. I think I'm going back to this one. Okay, you get to put the good stuff in it. Just throw it all in your jar. Stuff it down tight. Whenever you read a recipe, and I'm still crying, whenever you read a recipe, it says, oh, keeps for 1 week. And I really think people just say that because I'll keep this for a month in my refrigerator. I know what to look for if I think it's bad. Okay, so here's our brine. Just pour it on top. We will stir it a little bit. So this took 2 red onions, which is perfect. Yeah, it's going to be so delicious. So I kind of let it cool. After it's cooled, I just give it a shake and I let it just basically marinate. I leave it on the counter for a while and then I'll put it in the fridge. We learned something new. I'm so excited. Thanks for joining me. Ciao for now.